You can ask your doubts in comment section. Do like, share and subscribe if you like the video.
In this video, we will discuss about embryogenesis. First of all, what the term embryogenesis means. Embryogenesis is the term used for the process of development of embryo from the zygote. Before we proceed further, let us first discuss little about the terms that are used to refer different stages of development from zygote to complete organism. That is zygote, embryo, fetus, neonate or newborn. Zygote, as we have discussed, is a single-celled stage that is formed after fertilization. Next stage, embryo, is multicellular stage formed after zygote start dividing. After few weeks in womb, now the embryo is called fetus till it will be delivered out by female. And when it is delivered out, now it is called neonate or newborn. So all these are stages of development of zygote, that is single cell to complete organism. Now coming back to embryogenesis, that is the process of development of embryo from zygote. During embryogenesis, zygote undergoes cell division and differentiation. Cell division results in increase in the number of cells and differentiation results in modification of cells to form specialized cells that perform special functions. These cells further help in tissue and organ formation in the organism. Before we proceed further, you must understand that like zygote was formed in all the sexually reproducing organisms, it is not essential that embryo also form in all the sexually reproducing organisms. There are certain sexually reproducing organisms that do not involve the formation of embryo in their life cycle. There are certain plants that do not involve the formation of embryo. Now, the next point is that what are the oviparous and viviparous animals? Based on whether the development of zygote take place outside or inside the body of female, or whether the female lays eggs or give birth to young ones, animals can be categorized as oviparous and viviparous. First, we will discuss about the oviparous organisms. In oviparous organisms, zygote develop into young one outside the body of organism, and they lay fertilized or unfertilized eggs. For unfertilized eggs, we can take example of frogs. In frogs, fertilization occur outside the body. For details, you can watch video for internal and external fertilization. On the other hand, reptiles and birds lay fertilized eggs that are covered by calcareous shells. Now, whether fertilization of eggs take place inside or outside the body of organism, in both cases, young ones hatch out of eggs only after a period of incubation outside the body of organism. The next are the viviparous animals. In viviparous animals, zygote develop into young ones inside the body of female organism. That is, viviparous organisms do not lay eggs but give birth to young ones. After attaining certain stage, young ones are delivered out of the body of female. For example, in humans, young ones are delivered out only after the gestational period of 9 months. Different organisms may have different gestational period. So, in viviparous animals, a part of development of young one occur inside the body of female in protected environment. Unlike the oviparous organisms, in which eggs are laid at very early stage of embryonic development. So, due to proper embryonic care and protection in case of viviparous organisms, chances of survival of offsprings are better in viviparous as compared to the oviparous animals.